Welcome to the ROI Unlimited Product Overview presentation. In the next few minutes, we are going to introduce you to each of the travel cards that ROI Unlimited offers. The travel opportunities are unlimited, and the savings are simply unmatched. Each of the travel cards available offer nothing less than the very best rates, services, and accommodations in the travel industry. With that said, let's get started and dive into the benefits that each of these cards have to offer. The first card we offer is the Hotel Card. The Hotel Card is unique in that it gives you opportunities in two separate ways to achieve the hotel locations and destinations that you are looking for. You have over 120,000 available hotels and resorts online worldwide, and these are best price guaranteed hotels. That means there will not be a lower price available for those properties at that time, and that is a low price guarantee. You can search online by city, by state, by location, by amenities, by landmarks, by price, and all made available very easily and explained online through the ROI Unlimited Travel Portal, which you can find by going to www.roitravelportal.com. If you don't see what you are looking for online, have your hotel card in hand and call the concierge service. We have access to an additional 83,000 properties worldwide that cannot be listed online. You can look at anything from a $30 per night room to a $9,000 per night room. The choice is yours. The beautiful thing about the hotel card is that it is a lifetime membership. There are no recurring monthly or yearly fees. Once you purchase the card, you can use it as much as you want with no limitations. Now let's look at the Condo Card. The Condo Card is nothing short of amazing. This card is the alternative to timeshare vacation property ownership. With this card, you have access to over 2.5 million weeks of availability in 120 countries worldwide, any week that you want. No blackout dates, no ownership costs, no maintenance fees, no salespeople, no tours, no presentations. Just 7 days and 7 nights of pure fun and enjoying it all at motel rates. Why pay $20,000 to $30,000 to own 1 week at one property, plus $800 to $1,200 in maintenance fees, and not to mention membership costs? Your Condo Card is the key to 2.5 million weeks in 120 countries, all available for less than the cost of a motel room. You have all the amenities of an owner, and in fact, you come in on the owner's manifest. This is the most fantastic travel program that has ever been presented to the public, and you can enjoy it all with the ROI Condo Card. Once again, the Condo Card is a lifetime membership. No monthly or yearly recurring dues or fees. Once you purchase this card, you can use it as many times as you want with no limitations. And now, let's look at the Cruise Card. If you enjoy the open seas and the shipboard life, this is the card for you. This card simply opens the doors to the world of cruising. You can go anywhere you want to go on any cruise line you want to go on, and everything is live on the travel portal. One of the great things that we offer is inclusive pricing. You know exactly what all port taxes, government fees, and surcharges are, so there are never any unexpected costs. We also provide hotel accommodations before and after the cruise, transportation to and from the cruise ship, handling your luggage and transportation to and from the airport, all done at special membership rates. With this card, you can cruise the world. As a cruise card holder, you can search and book your cruises online. But one of the advantages of having the Cruise Card is that you can also call the concierge number to see if there are any discounts, amenities, or upgrades available to you on the cruise that you are interested in booking. You will not find a more complete experience anywhere. And again, the Cruise Card is a lifetime membership. No monthly or yearly recurring dues or fees. Once you purchase the card, you can use it as many times as you want with no limitations. As a bonus to your membership with any of these cards, you will also have access to competitive pricing for flights through your travel portal. ROI also has the Rental Car Card for either budget or Avis, which can give you discounted rates on rental cars. Again, lifetime membership with no monthly or yearly recurring dues or fees. Bottom line, the travel product suite offered by ROI Unlimited is second to none. Whether you are a seasoned traveler, love to vacation, or rarely travel at all, we can save you money. Once you experience what these cards have to offer and the money that can be saved, sharing it with others is a very easy thing to do. Thanks for spending a few minutes with us and learning a little about the travel cards we offer. Get back with the member who thought enough of you to share this information. Get your travel cards ordered and go see all the world has to offer with ROI Unlimited.